Welcome to Canva, everyone. In this video, I'm going to just go through the things that you can do to use this tool effectively. Go to canva.com. This is a free tool that you can actually download, and this app, and it's going to give you a lot of things that you can do and create. You can create documents, whiteboards, Facebook posts, logos, Facebook covers, videos, presentations, mobile video, your story, Instagram story, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, and posters, resume, documents, more documents, infographic, make flyers. You can do anything. You can make business cards. Here I have a lot of projects I've already done. I've been with Canva for over 8 years, I believe. I've always used them for my YouTube art videos, and whatever I want to post on Facebook, I make a Facebook post, Facebook fan pages. Yeah, you could do a lot of things. I do Etsy covers too for my Etsy shop, and a lot more. So I just wanted to share with you. This is one of the tools, a great tool. And if you want to join Canva, it's $119 a year for $9.99 a month if you want to save money. But the normal price is $12.95. All right, check it out, and I hope you like this video.